Proteins are essential macronutrients for our body, acting as the primary building blocks for our muscles. This is the reason bodybuilders actively consume proteins. When we engage in intense exercise, our muscles undergo minor damages at the microscopic level. The body then repairs these damages, and the newly synthesized muscle fibers are thicker than the ones they replace. This process results in noticeable muscle growth. Consuming proteins, especially after an intense workout, can significantly enhance muscle mass and strength. Now, one might wonder if merely consuming high amounts of proteins will lead to muscle growth without exercise. The answer is no. Due to the mechanism mentioned earlier, for muscle growth to occur, exercise and minor muscle traumas are essential. Another common question is whether protein powder supplements are more effective than protein-rich foods. Both are effective, however, protein supplements may have a slight advantage due to their concentrated nature. Still, the difference isn't significant. Some classic protein-rich foods include chicken breast, eggs, salmon, Greek yogurt, quinoa, beef, chickpeas, and nuts. Consuming high amounts of protein can also aid in weight loss. Proteins induce a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. But what's the safe upper limit for protein consumption? Many meta-analyses suggest that 2 grams of protein per kilogram daily is safe for long-term intake, which equates to around 140 grams of protein for a 70 kilograms adult. There were concerns about excessive protein intake causing kidney damage, but meta-analyses have shown that even 2.2 grams per kilogram doesn't pose kidney risks in individuals without pre-existing kidney issues. Another worry was the correlation between protein consumption and cancer risk. However, a meta-analysis involving 700,000 participants found no such association. So, what's the optimal protein intake for muscle growth? A study involving 1,000 athletes found that 1.6 grams per kilogram is the ideal amount for maximizing muscle mass, with no need to increase beyond 2.0 grams. When it comes to protein supplements, whey protein is a popular choice due to its easy absorption and rich amino acid profile. Another option is casein, which is absorbed slowly, aiding weight loss by prolonging feelings of fullness. Soybean and pea proteins are also gaining popularity, especially with the rise of plant-based diets. While there were concerns about soy protein affecting hormonal levels, a meta-analysis involving 1,800 participants debunked this myth. Lastly, why are plant-based proteins gaining so much attention? A comprehensive meta-analysis, observing 700,000 participants over 25 years, revealed that higher animal-based protein intake correlated with a 5% increased mortality risk. In contrast, higher plant-based protein intake was linked to a 10% reduction in mortality risk.